Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll dive into 4 accidents based on real-life stories. Don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's jump right in. Chapter 1. Reckless Drive. As the sun was beginning to dip below the horizon, at around 4 p.m., an incident happened in the small town of Greystone, Missouri, that caught the attention of everyone in the area. A dark gray Audi A6, driven by 27-year-old Alex Green, was speeding down the street. In the passenger seat was his friend, 25-year-old Ben, who seemed to be trying to calm him down. The accident was caused by human negligence. Alex succumbed to a sudden rush of adrenaline while trying to show off the car's capabilities. He decided to make several sharp maneuvers, demonstrating how well his Audi holds the road. However, on one of the bends, Alex lost control of the car, not taking into account the condition of the asphalt after a rainy morning. The car skidded and began to move uncontrollably straight into the yard of a residential building. The car crashed into a fence at high speed, demolishing it without any resistance. Fence fragments flew in all directions. The Audi continued on its way through the yard, demolishing garbage cans and other objects that got in the way. The car stopped only after it rolled over on its side in the center of the yard, leaving a trail of chaos. Despite the severity of the accident, both boys miraculously survived. Frightened but safe, they managed to get out of the car through the driver's door, which miraculously opened after the accident. Local residents quickly arrived at the scene and helped the boys and called the police and ambulance. This incident was a clear example of the consequences of inattention and the fact that roads are not the place to test your speed, especially in the city, where any mistake can be fatal. Chapter 2. Fiery Descent. That day, at around 1 p.m., a highway near a mountain serpentine near the town of Silverstone, Colorado, became the scene of a terrible tragedy. A white BMW driven by 32-year-old Mark Raven was traveling at high speed. The sun was shining brightly on the road, but a strong wind blowing from the mountains made it difficult for the drivers. Mark, known for his passion for speed, did not take into account the danger of the road. His car was racing along the track when he apparently lost control. The reasons remain unknown, perhaps a technical malfunction, distraction, or a reckless maneuver. It all happened in seconds. The BMW suddenly left the road and flew into the air. The section of the track was located on a rise, and another road ran below. The car, having made an incredible jump, literally did a flip. As it flew, it hit a stone ledge sticking out from the edge, and a spark was created under the car's bottom from the strong impact. The car was engulfed in flames, which rapidly spread through the fuel tank. The car fell to the lower track, already fully on fire, and exploded after a powerful impact. The flames rose high into the sky and black smoke was visible for kilometers. The rescuers who arrived at the scene could do nothing to help. The car had burned to the ground, and Mark died on the spot. Chapter 3. Drunken Doom. It was a quiet afternoon on a road near the small town of Fairfield, Ohio. The truck driver, 52-year-old Sam Walker, was returning empty after delivering a load. He was driving the speed limit, keeping his eyes on the road ahead. The sun had already begun to hide behind the clouds, and the weather seemed perfect for a safe journey. Suddenly, before he knew what was happening, Sam saw a black Audi A6 rapidly approaching his lane at high speed, driving on the wrong side of the road. The driver of the Audi, as investigators later found out, was highly intoxicated. His reaction and coordination were so impaired that he lost control of the car and drove into the oncoming lane, where Sam's truck was traveling. In just a few seconds, the car flew straight into the front of the truck with incredible force. The impact was so powerful that the sound of the collision could be heard for several kilometers. The truck swayed but remained intact due to its mass, while the Audi in front turned into a pile of mangled metal. Sam got out of the cab, shocked and frightened, but miraculously unharmed, except for a few scratches and a slight bump on his head. He immediately called the emergency services, standing in front of the horrific scene. The Audi was completely destroyed. Unfortunately, the driver and passenger of the Audi died on the spot. Rescuers had to use special equipment to cut their bodies out of the mangled car. Eyewitness accounts and test results confirmed that the driver of the Audi had drunk a significant amount of alcohol before getting behind the wheel. This tragedy is a reminder of the dangers of drinking and driving and how a single moment of recklessness can take a life. Although he survived, Sam is now forever scarred by the memory of the day everything went wrong. Chapter 4. Fatal Rush. That late afternoon, as the city was already bathed in streetlights and the streets were filled with people enjoying dinner in cafes and strolling, a tragic accident occurred. A black Porsche Panamera driven by 29-year-old Max Drake was racing down a narrow street between stylish boutiques and cozy cafes. The main street was narrow, with two traffic lanes that could barely accommodate the flow of cars, but Max, caught up in the excitement of fast driving, decided to maneuver between the lanes. At high speed, Max did not take into account the dimensions of his car. The Porsche crashed into another car, a blue Toyota Corolla, which was trying to turn left. The force of the impact threw the Porsche to the middle of the street, where, unfortunately, there was no time to avoid another tragedy. On the other side of the intersection, a white Volkswagen Transporter was coming through the green light, and its driver, 43-year-old Jonathan Wilson, was not expecting to see the black Porsche that had crashed into the car in front of him and ended up in the middle of the road. The Volkswagen slammed into the front of the Porsche at full speed, creating an even more powerful impact. Passers-by sitting at the tables of nearby cafes witnessed the chaos. The collision was so loud that even those inside ran out to see what had happened. The black Porsche, mangled and with broken windows, became a fatal trap for Max. People rushed to help, trying to get him out of the car, but he died on the spot from his injuries. The driver of the Toyota Corolla suffered minor bruises, while the driver of the Volkswagen sustained serious but non-life-threatening injuries. They were both taken to hospital where they received medical treatment. This incident was a sad reminder of how dangerous it is to disregard traffic rules, especially on narrow city streets filled with people and cars. Max, who loved speed and risk, became a victim of his own recklessness, and a quiet evening turned into a nightmare for many. Thank you for watching these 4 accidents that I worked hard to recreate in Beamng.drive. I hope you enjoyed them. Don't forget to leave a like, write a comment, and subscribe. Your support really motivates me to create more videos. See you next time.